Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a multi-level numbered list in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to create a multi-level number list. At first, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section. Select the frame text tool. Then draw a text frame to this page. Then go to the window menu and go to the text option. Enable the paragraph. Then we can see here the bullets and numberings. Now I am click the drop down menu and click this inside the text box. Then write anything this text box. Then select the all text, click and drag on our mouse and select the drop down menu and choose the numbering. Then go to the number and press tab on our keyboard. Then go to the another number and press tab on our keyboard. Then we can see we make a multi-level number list very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.